Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today, on this video, I'm going to discuss about diphthong. Diphthong is also called as double vowels, or it's also called as double sound. And now let's define some definitions of diphthongs. Diphthongs, also called as double sound or double tone. After this, you're going to know why does it called as double sound or double tone. The second, diphthong, also known as a gliding vowel, because it's happened because the tongue of us it's gliding, doing a glide activities. Is a combination of two adjacent vowels sound within the same syllable. So when you have the sounds of vowel, you're going to move or glide your tongue in one syllable. I'm going to show you on the next slide. A diphthong is a vowel with two different targets, that is, the tongue and or other part of the speech apparatus, okay, especially the tongue, move during the pronunciation of vowel. So when you do the diphthong, your tongue it's going to move from one vowel to the other vowel. So the first definition, it said that diphthong is a double sound or a double tone. Yes, it is. This is the examples of the diphthong. See, oi, I. So it consists of double sound. It consists of two vowel, 1 and 2, the first and the second. That's why it's called as a double sound or double tone. Diphthong, it's also called as a gliding vowel, because diphthong, when you say the diphthong, then you are gliding your tongue. So examples like the sound of oi, the diphthong of oi, then your tongue it's going to glide from o to a or e. Okay, you're going to find different versions of oi. First version is going to glide from this O to this E. Second version is going to glide from O to A. But it's all the same, okay? It's the same sound. So both of them are pronounced as oi. So it's gliding, from the positions of O to the positions of E. Okay, so it's going to make this gliding. It's glide, oi, oi. I, it's also gliding from the positions of A to this one or this one. Okay, I. Okay, this one and this one, both of them have the same sound. I, as in kite, k, I, t, kite, okay, or toy, t or e or a, kite, toy. So your tongue is going to glide oi, I. And the diphthong is also called as gliding from one position to other position in one vowel. Yes, it does, because you see this one is one vowel, kite, toy. Sorry, it's one syllables. One syllables consists of toy, kite. One syllable consists of two vowels that pronoun as one syllable only, because it's gliding. Make a quickly movement, kite, toy. For you, as a note, you have to know sound which consists of quick movement in this case is the same with the word vowel gliding. From one vowel to another vowel in one syllable. I have already illustrated for you. The articulator in this case is the tongue. The tongue is going to move from one position of the tongue to the other position, just like the illustration. Have two elements. First element are e, a, and a. The first element means the first vowel on the diphthong. The second element means the second vowel on the diphthong, which is consists of e, and This is all diphthong. First one is I, a, oi, ow, o, e, oo, or, air. Especially for number 8, sometimes or commonly number 8 are considered into non-diphthongs, because it's considered to be the same voice with o. So sometimes there are two versions of diphthong. Sometimes some experts say that diphthong is consists of 8 without o, but sometimes they're going to say that diphthong it consists of 9 including o. Okay, don't get confused. There are three kinds of diphthong. The first one is raising diphthong. Raising diphthong consists of 5 kinds of a diphthong. I'm going to mention it for you and mention the examples of the diphthong in a word. I want you to repeat after me, okay? Raising diphthong. 1, I, as in time, rise, like, a, as in day, base, late, oi, as in boy, joy, boil, ow, Ow, as in house. Now, how. Oh, as in so. Old. Home, home. The positions of raising diphthong is always rising up or rising gliding. That's why it's called as rising diphthong. Diphthong I, diphthong E, diphthong oi, diphthong oi, diphthong ow, diphthong o. See, it's always raising up. I, oi, e, ow, o. All is up. Falling diphthong consists of two: ear, 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 as in ear, deer, weird, ooh, 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 as in pure, pure, poor, 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 sure, sure. Falling diphthong is because the positions of diphthong is gliding, falling, falling, gliding, or it is fall. Like the example, diphthong ear. See, ear, ear. It's gliding from e to so it's falling. Ear. And then the second is diphthong oo, oo, oo. So it's fall. Ear, oo, gliding, falling. Centering diphthong o'er, for, more, tower, air, care, rare, fair. So why does it call a centering diphthong? Because the position of diphthong is gliding on the position of center to these positions, like over, 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 and air, air. So take a look to this position. It's a central or middle position. So the diphthong is centering from the middle position to the central position. Over, air. That's why it's called a centering diphthong. Triphthong. A triphthong is a glide from one vowel to another vowel, then to the third vowel. So there are consists of three vowels that gliding in one syllables, all produced rapidly and without interruption. The triphthong consists of 5 closing diphthong with a added on the end. There are 5 triphthong. Ayer, like in layer, layer, player, player, ire, ire, like in liar, liar, fire, fire, oil, oil, as in royal, royal, lower, lower, over, over, as in power, 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 hour, 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 as in hour, hour, hour. So this is the examples of changing the word into the phonetic transcriptions. Like you can focus on number 1, breeding, breeding. Then you're going to transcribe it into a phonetic transcription, become breeding, b r e d a Another example, focus on 7 and 9. You can take a look to the word night. Night consists of n, I, t, n, diphthong I and t. Night. 9, maid, maid. We can transcribe it into diphthong a and t. Diphthong a, t, maid. The rest you can do it by yourself. Can you stay another game? Can you stay another game? Can you see how many diphthongs are they? Yes, 2 diphthongs, a and a. A on stay and A on game. You can do by yourself on the rest sentence.